In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote on your mobile device to create notes, scan documents, record voice notes, organize everything into notebooks, and manage tasks. First, open the Evernote app on your mobile device. Once you're inside the app, you'll be ready to start capturing information in a few different ways. Evernote is designed to make note-taking flexible. So whether you want to type something quickly, save a document, or keep track of tasks, everything begins from the main screen. Tap the green plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new note. This is the main starting point for adding new content. After opening a new note, start typing whatever you need. This could be a quick idea, meeting notes, a grocery list, or anything else you want to save. If you prefer, you can also create a checklist, which is especially useful for tracking action items or daily tasks. Another option is to choose a template, which can help you get started faster and keep your notes more structured. If you want to scan documents, tap the camera icon. From there, capture receipts, documents, or even notes written on a whiteboard. Evernote will automatically enhance the scan, which helps improve readability and makes the image look cleaner and easier to review later. This can be especially helpful when you're saving important paperwork and want a more polished digital copy. If you'd rather record audio instead of typing, tap the microphone icon and start recording your voice note. This is a convenient option when you need to capture ideas quickly or when typing isn't practical. Your audio recording will be saved directly inside your note, so everything stays together in one place. To organize your notes, tap the Notebooks tab. This is where you can separate your content into categories and keep related notes grouped together. Tap the plus button to create a new notebook, then use it to organize projects, personal notes, work materials, or any other topics you want to keep neatly sorted. You can also add tags to your notes, which makes them easier to search and filter later, especially if a note fits into more than one category. To manage your tasks, open the Tasks tab. Here you can create to-do lists, set due dates, and add reminders to help you stay on top of what needs to get done. Finally, keep in mind that any changes you make will automatically sync across your connected Evernote devices, so your notes and tasks stay updated wherever you access them.